is Dr. Asima Pati, maxillofacial surgeon at COM HTS Hyderabad. In my previous video, I have discussed quite elaborately about PRP treatment for hair loss conditions. So I thought let me also speak how PRP can be helpful for your skin. Now, what is PRP? I have told this in my earlier video as well. Platelet-rich plasma or PRP is concentrated blood plasma that contains approximately 3 to 5 times the number of platelets found in normal circulating blood. In addition, it also contains various growth factors like PDGF, VEGF and other bioactive proteins that help in the rejuvenation of skin. PRP for skin is a facial rejuvenation treatment that uses your own plasma to stimulate collagen production and cell migration, allowing for the elimination of lines, folds, and wrinkles. Results from PRP therapy are quite natural and subtle, and they can last for a long time. What's more, if you ask me, the procedure is minimally invasive, has no risk of allergic reaction, without any risk of any side effect, making it ideal for persons who are not interested in or who are not good candidate for injectable dermal fillers. How does PRP rejuvenate the skin? The body cells which aid the tissue in healing and producing new cells are called platelets. Platelet-rich plasma is injected into the targeted areas of the skin and then forms an environment which helps in growing the collagen, regenerating the tissues, and making your skin smooth and tight. PRP softens the wrinkles and creates skin texture that is smoother, younger, and better. PRP skin rejuvenation treatment procedure. The PRP procedure is extremely simple and a safe procedure. The process of preparation of PRP is same as we have discussed in PRP therapy for hair. In this procedure, firstly the blood is taken and it is spun in a centrifugal machine for around 25 minutes. The whole procedure takes over 45 minutes to 1 hour. The amount of blood that has to be taken from the body can be 15 ml to 30 ml based on the number of targeted areas to be treated. During the centrifugation process, the cells are separated in the top layer of blood with rich platelets, and this is re-injected into the targeted area. Now, what are the expectations after PRP therapy? Once the PRP treatment is done, you can expect the following minor things like bit swelling. One might face a bit of swelling on the treated areas with slight redness. Swelling is seen in the treatment areas due to the re-injection of the fluids. There might be temporary bruises seen. Bruises at the target areas might be noticed, but it will go in 1 or 2 days. No infection or side effects are seen. There won't be any infection or side effects as platelets are made from the patient's own body cells. The patient is advised to avoid heavy work or heavy exercise for a couple of days. He is also advised to keep the skin hydrated. What are the results for PRP treatment? It is ideal to undergo 3 treatments with a gap of 4 to 6 weeks in order to get the maximum output of PRP skin rejuvenation treatment. Post-treatment, the first effect will appear in the first month when you will experience the improvement in the skin texture. Most of the collagen is reproduced in about 3 months after the treatment is over. When that happens, one can experience the youthfulness of skin which is amply lifted and has lesser wrinkles or lines. The effects of PRP treatment will stay up to a couple of months. However, it is suggested to visit your doctor at the end of the year and discuss how the effects can be sustained for a longer period of time. Some people might have to go for touch-up at the end of the year to keep their skin intact. What are the benefits for PRP skin rejuvenation treatment? The first one is it is non-invasive. PRP is a non-surgical process. The platelet-rich plasma, which is extracted from patient's own blood sample, is simply injected into the area to be treated with a small needle. The procedure is very quick. Since it is a non-invasive procedure, the therapy can sometimes take as less as 30 minutes. Once the PRP is activated, it mimics an injury response in the body. in the body, healing and growth factors work to remodel the epidermis and enhance the texture and appearance of the skin. As the body begins to produce natural collagen in the affected area, results are noticed within the first few weeks following the first treatment, and the skin's appearance continues to improve over time. The next benefit is the effect of PRP treatment is quite long lasting. The process is quick, but the result is just the opposite. For optimal results, 3 or 4 treatments may be recommended, after which the benefit might continue to be visible for up to 18 months. The process is all natural. That is the next benefit of PRP therapy and is quite important. Your body naturally produces the ingredients which are necessary to rejuvenate your skin. Every treatment is formulated using blood from the patient's own body. This means there is no chance of allergic reaction, infection, or rejection of the treatment. The same can't be said for synthetic dermal fillers. If you want to undergo PRP treatment for your skin or for your hair in our clinic, you can contact us at the contact number given in the description box. This is Dr. Aseema Pati signing off for today. Thank you.